Hey guys, this is Ronnie with Great Choice Audio Video, and we're coming at you today out here on the job site. We're on another patio install, and today we're taking this old indoor TV out because it quit working. So today we brought, and we'll clean that up a little better so stuff like that doesn't happen when you touch TV, wires hanging down. But we bought a brand new Seura 55-inch outdoor TV with a 55-watt powered sound bar with it as well. Stay tuned and continue to watch along as we get these switched out. Hey guys, Ronnie here with the Seura Shade Series TV, 700 nits on the bright, it's 4K, HDR. It's got a 2-channel sound bar that I have sitting somewhere around here that we'll grab here in a second, and we'll put that on the bottom of the TV. So with that being said, I'm gonna have Kasey jump off the camera and help me unbox this, and then we'll come back to you here in a second before we put the brackets on. Hey guys, we're back here now. We got the TV out. We can look at the back of this TV. And this design is totally weird to me. Still is after doing multiples of them. This is the top of the TV. Usually the bottom of the TV is the thicker portion, so your bracket actually mounts towards the top of the TV. And right here is where your power plug to power to the TV. And here I've got the sound bar. We'll take a look real fast. It's got 2 drivers in it across the front of it. And it's just the same width to match the TV, and then it'll be butted up flush with it. So it has its own power supply with it as well. And what they've done real neat is give you an AC output power right here for that specific use. And then you have your component video, your analog audio, USB, coax digital, digital out. You got coax for off-air antenna and 3 HDMI ports. And remember, HDMI ARC is a new thing coming, so this also has it. I say coming, it's already here. It's just being more and more used. You got IP control, and you got IR input output, RS-232, and analog audio out, which is what we'll use for the sound bar. So with that being said, stay tuned and remember to like and subscribe down below as we get this TV up and going. We'll show you some more here soon. Hey guys, this is Ronnie back here with Great Choice, and we've got the TV up, and so let's check it out here real fast. So we got our TV with our sound bar flush with the bottom of it here. Matches the width of the TV. We ain't got the Apple TV quite set up, so there's no audio or anything that we're going to be able to demonstrate, but you can see how bright and clear the picture is from the Apple TV demo page here. Remember to like and subscribe down below.